Hi everyone, thank you so much for tuning back in today's video. Before we move on to the video though, I have a few disclaimers to make. Disclaimer number one: if you're one of those people that do not like to hear people talk about bowel movements, it grosses you out, you don't like it, you don't want to hear it, please just click out of this video. It's not by force. Please do not dislike my video just because. Of course, I cannot control who dislike my videos and all that, but it is what it is. But just click out if you don't like it. Disclaimer number two: I'm not a doctor, I'm not a professional. Do not rely on me. I've done my research, I'm in tune with my body, I know what I can take in and what I cannot. Now moving on to the fun part. First things first, I'm going to show you how I lost 6 pounds. So how I went from 168 pounds to 162 pounds in just 3 hours. Yes, girl, you heard it right. Just 3 hours. This is no BS. I did this. I have videos to prove it and everything. Okay. I didn't want YouTube to flag me, guys. I would have, I would have went in, you know, but I didn't want YouTube to flag me. Anyways, moving on. I actually did this the first time. It did not work out. And in this video, I'm going to show you what I did different. First things first, you're going to want to warm water. And the water I warmed it to where it's hot, but not too hot to where I cannot drink it, if that makes sense. Because when I did it the first time, it was kind of like lukewarm, and it did not work out for me. I mean, I did have some bowel movements, but it wasn't as much as I did the second time when I did it with like not super warm, but like warm enough to where I can drink it. You get the point. Okay, so make sure your water is warm. And also I added a lemon, like a slice of lemon, I believe. Yeah, I added a slice of lemon and added 2 tablespoons of the sea salt water. And that was it. I drank it. I drank it twice because this thing, although you see it, you can be like, oh, it's just salt. That's what I was thinking. It's just salt. No, honey, it's not just salt. Listen, this thing is nasty, okay? It's just like you're drinking salty water, like you're drinking salt, basically, salt. It was so nasty, but definitely worth it because, honey boo boo child, when I tell you after I was done with it, like maybe like 2 hours later, I believe. Yeah, I drank it like around 4. On an empty stomach, make sure your stomach is empty. Of course, you can drink water. Follow all these instructions and come and tell me this was all a lie. So that's what I did. 2 hours later, I was in the restroom. I was in the restroom the first time for, I believe, 35 to 40 minutes. You guys, I was in there for that long. I'm going to show you a video later on. But yeah, I was in there for that long the first time, and it was just flushing all the toxins, everything that I ate like from years back. Everything was just like going down, flushing out of my body. It felt so good. And then I went again the second time for 10 minutes. And then the third time I went for, I believe it was like 4 to 5 minutes, maybe like 3 to 4 minutes, I want to say. And guys, it felt so good. At the end of everything, I felt like a newborn baby that didn't have any food in their stomach. It felt so good, guys. I can't even explain how good it felt. And the reason why I wanted to do this sea salt flush is because I wanted to start on my keto diet. Now, the side effects that I had, honestly, apart from bowel movements, I would say when I drink it, I felt very nauseous. That's why I drink it in 2 parts. I don't know if I mentioned that already, but if I did not, I drink it in 2 parts. I felt very nauseous and also felt lightheaded. And so it wasn't the greatest thing ever, but I was over it. I just had to drink a little bit of water, and that was it. Also, I feel like water really moves things faster because, like I said, I started drinking it at 4. By 6, that's when I went to do my business, okay? But before I did the business, I remember drinking water, like a whole bottle of water, because I felt very thirsty. So that's another side effect, I guess. I felt very thirsty, which is good because I felt thirsty to just drink water. All I wanted to drink was really just water because obviously it's flushing all the water out. So I was in need of more water. So that is that. I think I'm not forgetting anything.
Alright guys, so I know I look a hot mess, but I'm currently in the restroom right now, and I couldn't update you guys because I'm actually importing the clip on my computer right now, and I can't, guys, like literally I had to run to the restroom, and like I showed you, I drank the water or the sea salt thingy. I drank it like at 4:39. And I went to the restroom at 6:16, and it's currently like 6:40. I'm still in the restroom. Guys, listen. It's real. It is real. You guys, I'm here. I've been here for more than 20 minutes. So you know it's real. Like, yo, it's... Okay?
I really do hope you get something from this. Please leave comments down below. Tell me if you've done this or if you would try it. If you did it, how did it work out for you? How did it not work out for you? And yeah, let's just have a conversation down below. Thank you all so much for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. It's LisaOfficiallyLive. Like this video. It would help a lot and motivate me to make a lot of videos like this. And yeah, that's it about this video. God bless you. Speak to you very, very soon.